Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with a focus on the DrunkDeer G65 rapid trigger mechanical keyboard. Let's kick things off with an overview of this sleek gaming keyboard. The DrunkDeer G65 boasts a compact 65% size, perfect for saving desktop space without compromising on performance. One of the standout features of the G65 is its ultra response speed, which is a whopping 10 times faster than traditional mechanical keyboards. But that's not all. With adjustable actuation distance ranging from 0.2mm to 3.8mm, you can customize your gaming experience with precision. Get ready to dominate your opponents with the G65's rapid trigger technology. Triggered once pressed and reset once released, this keyboard ensures instantaneous response times for maximum gaming performance. Unlike conventional keyboards, the G65 features magnetic switches that operate through the Hall effect. With a keystriking life of 100 million strokes, these switches are built to last, providing durability that gamers can rely on. Personalize your gaming setup with customizable backlighting effects, thanks to the DrunkDeer driver. Plus, enjoy free software upgrades throughout the keyboard's lifecycle for added convenience. Comfort is key during long gaming sessions, and the G65 doesn't disappoint. With angle-adjustable tilt legs and a patented shock-absorbing structure, this keyboard ensures a comfortable typing experience without compromising on performance. And there you have it, folks. The DrunkDeer G65 Rapid Trigger Mechanical Keyboard is a powerhouse gaming peripheral designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this keyboard is sure to impress with its ultra response speed, customizable features, and durability. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, happy gaming!